Forget the outdated image of made in China as synonymous with cheap knockoffs or poor quality plastic. While the West was distracted, the Asian giant has been quietly cooking up the most brutal military revolution of the 21st century. We're not talking about simple improvements to rifles or rusty tanks. We're talking about technology that defies biology, physics, and ethics. Today, we're going to dive into the most secret laboratories of the People's Liberation Army to see machines that look like they came straight out of a dystopian horror film, from robotic swarms that hunt in packs to lasers that incinerates metal from kilometers away for the price of a coffee. What you're going to see today aren't trade show prototypes, they're operational systems ready for combat. Get ready, because war has changed forever and China is leading the charge. Number 8. The Dogs of War. The internet filled with laughter when we saw the first robot dogs dancing, but China stopped laughing a long time ago. They've taken the base of commercial quadrupedal robotics and turned it into an urban infantry nightmare. Imagine a metal animal that doesn't get tired, doesn't feel fear, and can carry an assault rifle or grenade launcher on its back with perfect shooting stability. These aren't remote-controlled toys. They're equipped with artificial intelligence systems that allow them to navigate debris, climb stairs, and flank targets autonomously. In recent exercises, these units have been seen deploying from heavy aerial drones, dropping behind enemy lines ready to open fire. It's the ultimate solution for urban combat without risking your own human lives. The psychological warfare of seeing a pack of these approaching your trench is as lethal as their bullets. Black Mirror fell short. Number 7. The Silent Sniper. Bullets are expensive and run out. Light is infinite. The Silent Hunter is China's answer to the modern drone threat. Forget about firing $500,000 missiles to shoot down a $100 drone. This system uses a high-power fiber optic laser capable of cutting through 5mm thick steel at a kilometer's distance like hot butter. What's terrifying about this technology is its surgical precision and stealth. There's no explosion, no recoil, and the light beam is invisible to the human eye. The target simply starts burning or, magically, loses a wing. It's portable, can be mounted on light vehicles, and its cost per shot is basically the price of electricity, less than $1. While other countries keep calculating ammunition, China is deploying directed energy weapons that can blind sensors or incinerate electronic components in absolute silence. Number 6. The Augmented Soldier. War on the Himalayan frontier, at over 5,000 meters altitude, is a logistical hell where the human body collapses from lack of oxygen. China's solution? If the body is weak, make it titanium. The army has begun equipping its border troops with motorized and passive exoskeletons that turn an average soldier into a tireless pack mule. These suits allow a single man to carry ammunition crates, heavy weaponry, or supplies of up to 50 or 70 kilos through deep snow without barely breaking a sweat. The most advanced systems, powered by high-density batteries, don't just support the weight, but assist leg movement, reducing metabolic consumption and injury risk. We're not talking about Iron Man flying around, but something more practical and dangerous. Infantry that doesn't get exhausted, that arrives fresh to combat after marching uphill for kilometers. Physical advantage is no longer biological. Number 5. The Supersonic Spy. If you see this in the sky, it's already too late. The WZ-8 isn't a plane, it's a black dagger designed to tear through the atmosphere. This high-speed reconnaissance drone doesn't take off from a normal runway. It's launched from the air by an H-6 strategic bomber, igniting its rocket engines to reach speeds exceeding Mach 3 at altitudes where the air is so thin that most anti-aircraft missiles suffocate. Its wedge design is the definition of extreme aerodynamics and stealth. Its mission is simple but vital. Fly over carrier groups or enemy bases, take high-resolution photos and radar data, and return home before the enemy knows what happened. By using liquid rocket propulsion instead of conventional jet engines, it operates at the edge of space, acting almost like a satellite you can move at will. It's China's eyes in the Pacific, untouchable and invisible. Number 4. The Smart Rifle. At first glance, it looks like a very bulky assault rifle, but the QTS-11 is what experts call an integrated weapons system. China decided that carrying a rifle and grenade launcher separately was inefficient, so they fused them together and added a firing computer. Inspired by the United States' failed XM-29 project, China actually managed to make it work and deploy it. The magic is in the 20mm explosive ammunition. The soldier can use a laser rangefinder to measure the exact distance to a window or trench where the enemy is hiding. Then, they program the grenade to explode at that exact distance, right above the target's head, negating any cover. You can no longer hide behind a wall. The bullet will know when to explode. It's video game technology applied to real life, giving a single infantry soldier the firepower of a pocket artillery squad. Number 3. Spy birds. Imagine you're watching the sky looking for enemy drones. You see propellers, you see metal, you see lights. But would you suspect a flapping pigeon? The Dove program takes surveillance to nature's level. China has developed ornithopter drones that flap wings, that mimic real bird flight with disturbing realism. They're silent, their movements are organic, and most importantly, their radar signature is almost zero because to electronic eyes they move like a bird. They've been deployed in sensitive border regions for undetectable surveillance. Equipped with high-definition cameras and satellite transmission, they can perch on a ledge or fly over a military base without raising a single suspicion. It's the ultimate fusion of biology and engineering. The perfect camouflage is not looking like a machine at all. Number 2. Shark swarm. Not just the sky and land are roboticized. The Jari is an unmanned mini-destroyer. It's a small boat, barely 15 meters, but armed to the teeth with torpedoes, missiles, and machine guns. What's revolutionary isn't the boat itself, but how it works, in packs. These vehicles are designed to operate in autonomous swarms, communicating with each other to surround and harass gigantic enemy vessels like piranhas attacking a whale. They can perform suicide missions, surveillance, or coordinated attacks without putting a single sailor at risk. China is betting on a ghost navy that can saturate enemy defenses through sheer numerical superiority and AI processing speed. Number 1. The King of the Sky. We couldn't close without the crown jewel of the air. The J-20 is the direct answer to the F-22 Raptor. It's Asia's first operational fifth-generation stealth fighter, and it's huge. Unlike Western fighters, it uses a canard wing design, forward fins, that gives it brutal maneuverability despite its size. But its true strength isn't acrobatic, it's sensory. It's covered in advanced sensors that allow it to see 360 degrees and share data with drones and ships in real time. It's an aerial sniper designed to shoot down tanker aircraft and enemy flying radars from extreme distances, leaving the rival fleet blind and without fuel. With constant upgrades to its engines, the mighty Dragon has stopped being a copy to become an alpha predator in its own right. What we just saw proves that science fiction has stopped being fiction to become military doctrine. China isn't waiting to see what others invent. It's rewriting the rules of the war game with artificial intelligence, hypersonics, and biotechnology. These machines aren't just visually striking, they're a warning of how fast technology advances when the goal is total supremacy. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these technologies seems most terrifying to you? The robot dog with a rifle or the missile that can't be stopped? Leave me your opinion in the comments. The debate is going to be hot. And if this futuristic arsenal blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next report. See you in the next one.